Hello everyone, I'm Jensen Toh.
My name is Chloe.
My name is Kelly.
My name is Jia Rong.
My name is Thiu.
I'm Lucia Yasuki.
I'm Susan. I'm an executive working in a logistics company.
I joined MoonBot not long ago. It's only like 1 month plus a few days.
I'm using MoonBot for 6 months.
I invested 5,500 in MoonBot.
Started with a capital of 6,000 USDT.
Initially, I only put in 10,000 USDT, and only recently, I increased it to 130,000 USDT.
I find MoonBot is easy to use, very convenient.
So for now, my ROI is already more than 100%.
Yeah, so I am really very grateful and appreciative to be on board with MoonBot.